Hello beautiful people, if you are new to video editing and you need an app that is simple, easy yet powerful to use, Inshot is literally the best app for you to start with. Inshot is an app that is so good for new beginners. If you're just starting out as an editor, as a content creator, as a fashion business owner, and you want to start editing, then you need to start editing with Inshot. So before we start, we're just coming across my beautiful face for the first time. Can you like, share, and subscribe? I'm starting a new series that will be showing you guys on how to use different editing apps to edit your videos, because I have gotten so many questions on my Instagram page, on my WhatsApp, people asking me on how to edit different videos that I've edited before. So I just feel like, why not start sharing videos, showing people, incoming content creators, on how to use editing apps. So we are starting with Inshot today. Inshot is an editing app that is used by content creators, business owners, and everyone that loves making videos. You're just starting out as a content creator and you don't know the app to start with, I bet you will actually love Inshot. So it is used for TikTok. You can use it to edit your TikTok videos, your Instagram reels, you can use it to edit your pictures, and so many more. So guys, let's dive in on how to use Inshot. The first we're going to do is that we're going to download Inshot. If you are using an iPhone, go to your app store to download Inshot. If you're using an Android also, you can go to Play Store and download Inshot. So after downloading the app, the next we're going to do is to click on the icon. Then to take you to this interface where it shows video section, photo section, and the collage section. So now we are starting with our video section. Click on this. Then you select any video you want to work with. So I think I'm going to select the one I'm putting on, Ankara Kimono. So the first thing I will implore you to do is to click on this Inshot logo, because you don't want the logo to be showing on your video after editing. So you just click on the free remove. So you just do it thing. Okay. So then the first thing is, you can see here is canvas. You can actually use this canvas section to select the kind of video you want, because here, if you want a YouTube video, you can click on the 16.9. If you want the Instagram, you can click on, if you want the Instagram Reels video, you can click on the 9.16. So this is it, and you see how it looks when I click on the 16.9, because YouTube supports 16.9. So you can't use a 9.16 for YouTube videos. You have to use 16.9 for the videos. So let's go back. You see that it's back to the normal frame. So the work of zoom is, look at it. If I click on fit now, you can easily bring it closer to you. You see? So that's literally just the work of on zoom. The background, if you want to change the background of your video or your picture. So look at it. Let me click on this. You see? The second one is blowing it out, third one blowing it out, fourth one blowing it out. So let me take it back to how it was before. Okay, let us use the color. Look at it. So this background is just if you want to change the color of the background of your video. So if I don't want any, then I will click on this and I'm back to the next icon. Here is audio. So guys, let me show you how to add audio to your video. This video has an audio already. So I want to click on the audio again. What I'm just going to do is that I'll click on the video and I'll click on volume. So then I will take it to 0%. Click on this, and the audio that comes with it is literally out of it. Then the next I'm going to do is go to my audio. If you want a music, if you have a music downloaded on your gallery, on your file, what I'm just going to do is that you're going to click on the music. If you have a video that you want to extract an audio from it, you click on this. But if you don't have a video that want to extract audio from it, you just click on, if you have a song on your phone, you can click on imported. Then you go to your files. So from your files, you select, okay, let me just select this song. Let me select this song. So this is it. I'll just click on count my blessing. So I'll just click on use. Then this is it. What's it? If you want to cut out the song, if you have a particular place that you want the song to start from and end in a place, okay, let me do something like this. I will click on the song. We have the option. We have the splitting. We have the splitting side. We have the speed. We have the beat. We have voice effects. A lot that we can use on the audio also. So the first thing we're going to do is that if I want the song to start from the middle, so I'm just going to reduce it from the beginning like this. Reduce it to a particular place. Then click on it and draw it to the front. You see that the song will not be at the beginning anymore. At the beginning, you see that it changes. So we want to split out. I want it to stop. I want the song to stop at a particular place. I will click on the song like this. Then I will split. Then I will delete. So that's just the simple way of adding an audio to your video. That's the simple way if you want to add an audio to your video. So the third icon here is sticker. Sticker, as under sticker, you can see text, caption, AI speech, detail, and all. So let's start with text. So if okay, I'm a fine girl. So I want to change the font. We have different fonts here, so you can check the one that you feel like you want for your video. So you can also change the color here. You can change the color to any color you want. You can change the background. You can change the background from this place. So this is basically how to add text to your video and to change fonts, colors, and no. Then I want an animation the way I want my text to look on my video, so I can easily use any animation here. So let me use this one, and this is used to reduce or increase the speed of your text. So you see, so this is basically how to add text to your videos. Then this is auto caption. If you want the app to bring out caption for you, you can just use the auto caption. But I think this auto caption is for people that subscribe to Inshot Pro. So we have the AI speech. If you want the AI to, so let me write, my name is Debbie. So I want AI to convert it to a human voice, probably a female or a male. So let me click on female.
Hi, this is my voice tone. Hi,
Okay.
this is my voice tone.
Hi, this is my voice tone.
So I can
Hi,
those.
this
I
is
think,
my voice
it's
tone.
meant for people that use Inshot Pro. So I'm not using Inshot Pro. So that's basically how AI speech works.
Hi, this is my voice tone.
Yes, so it does use detail. Detail is used to blur out the color, to blur out a particular object in your outfit or in your video. So let me say I want to blur out this flower now. So this is what I just need to do. I will just reduce it, just make it blur out a little. I can reduce, I can increase. So that's basically what detail does to your videos. So let us go to, okay, we have done text. Let's go to effects. So this effect, I know you'll be seeing a lot of videos that people do this video. So look at this. These are the effects. Inshot has a lot of effects. I think there are more than 50 effects that you can use. You can just go through everything and navigate and know the exact effects you want in your video. So the next one, AI effects. So AI effects, this is literally how it works. You can use, there are some that are paid, and there are a lot that are not paid. So you can just check anyone you feel like you love for your videos. You can see, so you can just go through it, you can just go through it, learn. You can learn a lot on this app actually. So adjust also, you can increase the brightness, reduce. Your video is dark and you want it to be brightened, you can use the lightness, you can use the contrast, you can see, you can use the saturation and all, so like that. And sharpen also, I love sharpening my videos to like what are they calling it, to like 30. I love sharpening my videos to like 30, because by the time you're sharpening to 40 or 45, it will look funny it will look funny. So that's all about adjust. So the next thing is our filter. Okay, filter, you can basically choose any filter you feel like is your mood, that you feel like you love and goes with your video that particular time. And there are also paid ones here, so you can just click on the one that are not paid. You can just navigate and you're going to see the one you love. So next thing here is PIP. So PIP, you can use it to bring in a video. Let me say you want a video, probably you made a video that you are talking in one, and you want the other video to showcase your outfit. You can just use PIP on it. So this is it. Let me say I don't want the second video to start from the beginning. I'll just reduce it, and you can have something like this. Then start showing. It's just like you can use it for like a reaction video. You can use like a reaction video, and you can also use it to do cloning. And I think I won't be able to do that because this video are not. There's a way you position your video if you want to do cloning. So this video are not positioned for cloning. But if you want to do that, you will just click on your mask. There's a mask here. Just click on your mask. On your mask. On the triangle. I'm going to make a video on cloning separately. So let's just move on. So the next thing, pre-cuts, because you don't really need pre-cuts. Splits, you can easily use this. So if you have a video that you want to cut out, you don't want the video to start from that particular place, or you don't want it to end at that particular place, you can just click on that part and click on split, then delete, so the video is out of it. So next, delete volume. You can easily click on the volume, increase the volume, reduce your speed. Okay, I love this options in Inshot, because it allows me to increase and reduce the speed of my video. And you see those funny speed of video that I used to see online, that the song can just be working so fast. Yes, they do them in Inshot. So click on curve, then if you want your video to be very fast, you can just take it up there. So you see now, and you want it to be very slow, you can just, you see how slow it looks. So that's the easy way to make your videos, to reduce or increase the speed of your videos. Next thing now is animation. I think we've talked about animation previously, but I think this is the other part of effects on Inshot. So let's click on fade, zoom in, we have zoom out, we have sliding. This animation icon is basically so good to use, especially if you are doing a talking video and you want the beginning of your video to, like this zoom in now. Let me reduce. You know the way they do those talking video, that it will just come in and you start talking. Yes, you can do them on this shot. And just some videos that you see that they are so shaky that people will be dancing and the video will be shaky. Yes, you can also do them here. So I think that's all about that. I'll be using a particular video frame for your kind of video you want to put out. Okay, now this video I'm editing it on 9.16, on frame 9.16, because I actually screen recording. But if I want to crop it to a YouTube interface, I'll just click on the 16.9. That's it. So that's just what crops works for. So switch, if you want to use switch, let me go back. Let me go back. So if you want a particular video to come above the previous video, like now you have two videos and you want the second one to come on top of the first one, you just click on the video and click on switch. So this is just it. It will just automatically, you see the video you want to show above the previous video, it will just come like that. So that's just it. So that's just basic ways. If you go through the video well and you open your heart to understand it well, Inshot is so easy to navigate, seriously. So we have cutouts. I've talked about mask the other time. I will make a video using mask for cloning. I will make it probably around that time. So opacity, if you want to reduce the brightness of your video or the way it shows, you want to reduce or increase, then you can use opacity. We have replace. Replace is used when you want to replace a particular video with another new video. Probably you have a video that you want and you don't want the previous video to be showing. You just click on the video you want to replace it with and go to your gallery. Just click on the video and click on replace, and that's it. Voice effect is used if a video is in voiceover. Like I am actually recording this video and I'm using my phone to capture my face and my voice all together. So it's not screen recording. So I won't be able to use the voice effect. But it's so easy to use. You just click on the voice effect and whichever character you want it to portray, you just click on it. So we have duplicates. We know the meaning of duplicate, to make a video into twos. So rotate also, if you want your video to rotate. So that's it. So we have freeze. Freeze is used if you want a particular video to stop in a way. Like now this video now, I can just make it freeze in this place. That okay, you will see now. So dancing, then stop, then it continues. That's just how freeze works. So reverse. If reverse is used to, reverse, no storage, so I get stuck. But what reverse does literally is that reverse make okay, if I'm walking into a room, but if I want to make the video to reverse, that means it will show as I'm using my back to work out. I think let me try and make an example. Let me use this. It's just going to take a little time. Okay, so reverse is success. So check what I'm saying now. So in the video I was walking to the front, but now it shows that it has been reversed to the back. So that's literally what. Okay, let me go back to the main video. You see it now. So can you see the main video that I was walking to the front, and the reverse video, you see it now, I was walking to the back. So that's literally what reverse does. That's about that. Finally, we've come to the end of this video editing tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have questions, can you put them in the comment section? And also, if you have any question on video editing or any other apps you think you would want me to talk about, to make a tutorial about, you can drop there in the comment box. Thank you so much. Kindly like, share, and subscribe. I love you.